This video was taken by a 13-year-old girl as her parents were being arrested by ICE agents at New Orleans Immigration Court 2 weeks ago. They were there for an asylum hearing. The two detainees are attorney Natasha Porsche's clients. Moments later, the video shows her being arrested too.
It was horrifying. I felt like we were kidnapped.
Immigration arrests at courthouses used to be rare. But Porsche and another immigration attorney, Michael Gahagan, tell us that's no longer the case.
They took a break. It didn't happen for a while, but it's happening again.
Gahagan says that he's even noticed an uptick over the past few weeks.
I speak to other immigration lawyers. We're always emailing each other back, and they'll warn, hey, ICE is at court today. And we know about it that morning. And I've seen quite a few of those emails, and it's happening.
In the past, ICE agents were told not to make arrests in or near courthouses, schools, or churches, except in special circumstances. The day President Trump took office, the Department of Homeland Security rescinded that guidance. In a recent statement to CBS News, former DHS Assistant Secretary Tricia McLaughlin said courthouse arrests conserve valuable law enforcement resources because they already know where a target will be. Advocates argue they're not worth it.
People in immigration court are almost in this situation of like, damned if you don't, damned if you do go to court. Because if you don't go to court, you'll get an automatic order of deportation.
Rachel Tabor talked to us on behalf of a group of so-called court watchers. They go to courthouses and record immigration arrests. They and other local activist groups held a protest at New Orleans Immigration Court the day after the arrest shown in the video.
I'm glad to say we haven't seen ICE return there.
Porsche says once she was arrested, she was taken, along with her two clients, to a facility at the airport. She was issued this citation, which alleges she, quote, assault, resist, oppose, impede, and interfered with ICE officers during a lawful arrest, which she denies.
At no point I touched him at all. With my hands or with any part of my body.
She says the parents in the video are being held at separate facilities. The child who took the video, along with her two siblings, are together with a family member in Mississippi. Rachel Handley, WWL Louisiana.
Well, we reached out to ICE this morning asking about Porsche's arrest and for more information on those two people detained. And as of this broadcast, we have not heard back.